Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world around us. It's automating tasks, providing insights from data, and even creating art. Education is no exception. AI is already being used in classrooms to personalize learning, automate tasks, and provide students with feedback. This has led to both excitement and concern about the future of education. One of the biggest concerns about AI in education is that it will lead to teachers being replaced by machines. This fear is not just a figment of imagination, but a real possibility that many educators are grappling with today. Some experts believe that AI systems will eventually be able to teach students just as well as, if not better than, human teachers. They argue that AI can provide personalized learning experiences, adapt to individual student needs, and offer consistent, unbiased feedback. This concern is not entirely unfounded. AI systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and they are capable of performing many of the tasks that teachers currently do, such as grading assignments and providing feedback. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, something that would take a human teacher much longer to accomplish. In some cases, AI systems may even be able to do these tasks more efficiently and effectively than humans. They can work around the clock without fatigue, ensuring that students receive timely responses and support. The fear of job displacement is understandable, particularly in a profession as deeply intertwined with human connection as teaching. Teachers do more than just impart knowledge. They mentor, inspire, and provide emotional support to their students. This anxiety is further fueled by instances like the graduate workers' strike at Boston University. The strike highlighted the growing tension between technological advancements and job security in the education sector. During the strike, a dean suggested AI as a potential solution, though not with the intention of replacing the workers. This suggestion, however, was enough to spark a debate about the future role of AI in education. This incident, though lacking the intent of replacing human instructors, underscores the growing unease surrounding AI's role in education. It serves as a reminder that while AI has the potential to enhance educational experiences, it also brings with it significant challenges and concerns that need to be addressed. Despite these advancements, it is important to remember that teaching is more than just transmitting information. Teachers play a vital role in fostering students' social, emotional, and intellectual growth. They provide guidance, mentorship, and support that cannot be replicated by machines. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted this crucial aspect of teaching. The shift to virtual learning demonstrated that technology alone is insufficient in providing a holistic education. The lack of in-person interaction during this period underscored the irreplaceable value of human connection in the learning process. The top concern highlighted by the AI Education Project survey underscores this point. Educators are worried about the potential decline in human interaction with increased AI use. This concern is rooted in the understanding that education is not merely transactional but deeply relational. Education International emphasizes this, advocating for an approach that values the human element in education over a purely transactional one. Despite these concerns, AI has the potential to revolutionize education in many positive ways. One of the most promising applications of AI in education is personalized learning. This approach leverages advanced algorithms to understand each student's unique learning style and preferences. AI-powered learning platforms can track students' progress and tailor educational content to their individual needs. By analyzing data on how students interact with the material, these platforms can identify strengths and weaknesses. This can help students learn at their own pace and in a way that is most effective for them. Personalized learning ensures that no student is left behind, as the content adapts to their level of understanding. Imagine a world where a student struggling with algebra receives tailored support, identifying and addressing their specific areas of difficulty. This targeted assistance can make complex subjects more accessible. AI can adapt to their learning pace, providing extra practice or explanations until the concept clicks. This continuous feedback loop helps reinforce learning and build confidence. This level of personalized instruction, once a dream, is becoming a reality thanks to AI. The technology is bridging gaps and making education more inclusive and effective. Simultaneously, a student excelling in history can delve deeper into the subject, exploring supplementary materials and engaging in challenging discussions, all curated by the AI system, fostering a love for learning that traditional methods might not ignite. This dynamic approach to education is paving the way for a future where every student can thrive. The risks of over-reliance on AI in education are, well, quite significant. One such risk is that AI could be used to reinforce existing inequalities. For instance, if AI-powered learning platforms are only available to students in wealthy schools, it could widen the achievement gap between rich and poor students. Additionally, there's the concern that AI could be used to manipulate students or track their behavior in ways that violate their privacy. The potential for misuse here is honestly a serious concern. Imagine a scenario where AI systems, trained on biased data, perpetuate existing societal prejudices, further marginalizing already disadvantaged students. This could lead to a future where quality education becomes a privilege accessible only to the affluent, while others are left with subpar AI-driven alternatives. This chilling possibility underscores the need for careful consideration and ethical frameworks in AI's implementation in education. The role of the teacher is evolving in the age of AI. As technology advances, the traditional methods of teaching are being transformed. Rather than being replaced by machines, teachers are more likely to become facilitators of learning, guiding students through the use of AI-powered tools and resources. This shift allows teachers to focus more on personalized instruction and mentorship. Teachers will need to develop new skills and knowledge in order to effectively integrate AI into their classrooms. This includes understanding how to use AI tools to enhance learning and staying updated with the latest technological advancements. They will also need to be able to adapt to the changing needs of their students. Flexibility and adaptability will be key traits for educators in this new era. This shift necessitates a change in how we perceive and train educators. Professional development programs must evolve to provide teachers with the necessary skills and knowledge. Professional development programs should equip teachers with the skills to navigate and leverage AI effectively in their classrooms. This includes training on the ethical use of AI and understanding its potential impact on education. They must become adept at identifying and addressing potential biases in AI-generated content, ensuring their students receive a fair and balanced education. This is crucial for maintaining equity in the classroom. This means understanding how AI algorithms work, recognizing potential biases in data sets, and ensuring that AI is used in a way that benefits all students. By doing so, teachers can create an inclusive and effective learning environment for everyone. As AI becomes more prevalent in education, it is important to consider the ethical implications of its use. For example, we need to ensure that AI is used in a way that is fair and equitable for all students. We also need to protect students' privacy and ensure that their data is not being misused. These concerns are shared by educators, parents, and policymakers alike. A global survey revealed a significant level of hesitation among these groups regarding the trustworthiness and potential risks of AI systems. Addressing these concerns requires robust governance frameworks and ethical guidelines. Initiatives like the World Economic Forum's AI Governance Alliance are crucial in establishing responsible AI practices in education. Their work focuses on creating a global consensus on ethical considerations, data privacy, and equitable access to AI in education. There are already many examples of AI being used in education today. For example, some schools are using AI-powered tutoring systems to provide students with personalized help. Other schools are using AI to automate tasks such as grading, providing feedback, and even creating lesson plans. These real-world examples offer a glimpse into both the potential and pitfalls of AI in education. Layla Wheelis, an educator, encountered a situation where students readily accepted inaccurate information generated by AI, highlighting the critical need for fostering critical thinking skills alongside AI tools. Conversely, Khan Academy's Khan Migo chatbot exemplifies AI's potential, sparking debate about the evolving role of tutors in the age of AI. These real-world instances underscore the need for a balanced approach, leveraging AI's capabilities while mitigating its risks. AI has the potential to revolutionize education, but it is important to use it in a way that complements and enhances rather than replaces human teachers. Teachers will need to adapt to the changing educational landscape and develop new skills to effectively integrate AI into their classrooms. By embracing a balanced approach, we can harness the power of AI to create a more equitable and effective education system for all students. The future of education hinges on finding this balance, ensuring that AI serves as a powerful tool in the hands of educators rather than replacing the irreplaceable human element.